Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College long ka khot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Ka Sorkar India, ka pan beriu ne kiseng san partai bapher lani ka all party delegation bakin pha ya ka kerteng ki nong yalam jongki ba ka Sorkar kan pha shabari ban pensngau sya kiri ka partai ba ka Pakistan ka degari ka pakershan bat baiting ka ya kileno. Ka Seng ka bahe hari India, ka Seng Congress, kalapha saungot ki kerteng, ba ka Sorkar kan Jied, yanu kan pha, bat kita ki kerteng, ki Kyntait yau Anand Sharma, u Gaurav Gogoi, u Said Nasir Hussain, bat u Raja Brar. Henrei ka Sorkar kala Kyntait lut, ya kini ki kerteng ki ba ka Congress ka pha, henrei ka Jied na ka Seng Congress, da u brio, u bamdan hakata ka thup kerteng, bat ka Jied da u nong yalam u batbet jong ka Seng Congress, u Shashi Tharoor, u ba ka Seng Congress kala Kyntait yau. Ka Sorkar India, kala Jied nyongot ki nong yalam, ban mikmat ya kari India shabari, bat kita ki nyongot ki Kyntait ya u Shashi Tharoor na ka Congress, u Ravi Shankar Prasad na ka BJP, u Sanjay Kumar Jha na ka JDU, u Baijayan Panda na ka BJP, Kani Mothi, Karunanidhi na ka DMK, Supriya Sule na ka NCP, bat u Shrikan Eknath Shinde na ka Shiv Sena. Kani ka jingle ka Sorkar, kalakta bha ya ka Seng Congress, ha ka ba kinong yalam ka BJP, kilabu jingkali ya ka Congress, da ka baong, ba balay Kim Jied ya u Shashi Tharoor, u beriu u batbet, u bastat, bat u basyampang, u ba ka jingnang jingtep jong u, ka partai barok kaway kalatip. Hadien kani ka Jingshah Jied, u Shashi Tharoor u laong, ba ka nongrem jong u, ka day bait kari, hakaman, ka parti hadien, bat u ongru, ba kumba ka Sorkar India kala ibet ya u, un shim ya ka jingker kli, bat un pendep hok ya ka kamram, bat un le ya ka padon kam. Halor ke Jingshah Kyntait ha ka Seng Congress, u Shashi Tharoor u laong, ba omtem ka ei ka jing yoi jong ki nong yalam Congress, bat le se haki, ki yoi ba kot bor, penban henrei ya kata uloong, ba kwa ban keren jerong tan, henrei uong, ba ubu bet ya kari yakman ya ka parti.
Look, I mean, my party or my party leadership is entitled to its opinion of my abilities or lack thereof, and I think that is really for them to explain. I have absolutely no comment to make on that. I am honored to have been entrusted with the responsibility, and I will fulfill that responsibility, just as I have fulfilled every responsibility entrusted to me in my rather long working life, whether at the United Nations or in the Congress Party. I have fulfilled every task given to me with sincerity and commitment, and I intend to bring the same qualities to bear in my service in this particular mission. We are not talking about, it's a 10-day affair. I'll be going to Delhi. In any case, we have a parliamentary standing committee meeting on Monday and Tuesday on various issues, including on this particular issue. I'm assuming that I will get further details of the mission after going there, and we expect, I'm sure the delegation will get briefings from the Ministry of External Affairs, and we will proceed on that basis. I mean, I think that right now the focus is on a job of work that needs to be done for the country. And I'm truly honored to have been asked, and I will give my very best, as I always try to do.
Have you informed the party when you received this invitation? What was the response?
Yes, indeed. No, I certainly informed them of the first call I got, which was 2 days ago. And I also mentioned to the minister who called me, who was a parliamentary affairs minister, that I assumed that he would be talking to the party leaderships of opposition parties, and he assured me that he would be. He also let me know that I was not the only one he was calling. There were other opposition MPs that he was calling. And I found it entirely appropriate, as I said, that the country should rally together on this particularly important issue. And now that I've been entrusted with the task of leading one of the delegations, I intend to give it my best shot.